You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this football club from Spain, from the Basque country, San Sebastian, to be precise. If you want to learn more names from football, Spanish football especially, make sure to stay tuned. Real, so the Spanish pronunciation, Real, meaning royal. It doesn't mean real in English, in Spanish. So it's not pronounced real, it's Real, meaning royal. Real Sociedad. Sociedad. Real Sociedad is how it's pronounced in Spanish from central Spain, with the C pronounced like TH and the D at the end a bit like TH as well. Now, some may say it as Real Sociedad también as well. So you can have different pronunciations in English and Spanish, and in English it's pronounced Real Sociedad. Real Sociedad. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.